Hi everyone, I'm back with the next list that is the top 5 Korean melodramas. Now, melodramas are mostly kind of sad, possibly with a happy ending, probably romantic tragedies which might end up becoming happy endings. And they're basically romance dramas with a drama vibe. Not include them under the section of romantic comedies. There's little comical about these melodramas. These dramas might be a little weepy, so if you want to watch something serious and something that is not very light, you can watch these melodramas. I am particularly fond of melodramas because mostly they have a very interesting backstory. Okay, the first drama on this list is obviously Come and Hug Me. Jang Ki-young, Jin Ki-joo, and Ho Joon-ho. Now, Ho Joon-ho is a veteran actor who appears extraordinarily creepy in this drama. It has the impossible love vibe. This was one of the early lead roles of Jang Ki-young, and he's done a brilliant job, obviously. The male lead is the son of a serial killer, and the female lead is one of the victim's child. Okay, so this psychopathic serial killer killed the parents of Jin Ki-joo's character, and the son of the serial killer and this poor girl, they are in love, and it's so impossible. Anyway, once her parents die, this girl and her adopted brother move away from that area, and many years later these two meet again. Now the son of the serial killer, portrayed by Jang Ki-young, he has become a police officer, and he spends every waking minute trying to prove to himself that he's not like his father. He's a very good police officer. He's just graduating from the police academy when he runs into a young actress, and he realizes that it is the same girl from all those years ago who was his first love. Now this girl, she ends up becoming an actress just like her mother. The rest of the story is about how that incident all those years ago, that night when her parents were killed, how it affected their lives, how it changed things for them. There's a mystery in this drama. There's the involvement of media in upending the lives of the lead characters. And the cherry on top is that Ho Joon-ho's character, who was arrested soon after this incident, gets out or escapes from prison just in time when these two meet. This drama is basically a love against fate type of story. This drama is a very intense watch. You cannot call it a fun watch because it has a lot of blood and gore, but it is a very interesting, very intense watch, and the chemistry between the two leads is awesome. The second drama on this list is Tempted. Tempted was released in 2018. It stars Woo Do-hwan in the lead role, yes, and Joy, and Kim Min-jae and Moon Ga-young. Now these four form two couples, and there's a little bit of a love triangle. There's a little bit of drama. Okay, now one thing to remember is Woo Do-hwan plays a chaebol, and Kim Min-jae and Moon Ga-young play his friends, chaebol friends. Joy plays an ordinary, hardworking girl. Now, because of a bet, Woo Do-hwan has to get Joy's character, to fall in love with him. Because of a bet, just because of a bet. Now, as expected, they actually fall in love, and then what happens when this girl finds out that this really loving boyfriend of hers was just playing a part to complete his end of a bet. Drama has a murder mystery as well. This drama has a complicated past. Woo Do-hwan is a scene stealer. In this drama, he was a lead, but even in his role as a second lead in The King Eternal Monarch, where he stood side by side with Lee Min-ho, he was a scene stealer. Drama has a bittersweet ending with tragic undertones, but you still get a happy ending for both couples. Okay, the third drama on this list is Secret Love, starring Hwang Jung-hyun and Ji-sung. Now, Hwang Jung-hyun and Ji-sung have appeared in a romantic comedy as well, that is Kill Me, Heal Me. It has 16 episodes. It was released in 2013. This drama is about a man who's out for revenge against the person who was convicted for the death of his pregnant girlfriend. Hwang Jung-hyun plays the role of an innocent, dedicated person who ends up getting convicted for the hit and run accident which killed Ji-sung's character's girlfriend. She herself was in a relationship at that time, and because of this, okay, and it was in this relationship that she decided to take the blame for the hit and run on herself, so as not to spoil the career of her boyfriend. Now obviously the boyfriend was a jerk and he left her, so the boyfriend went on to live his life while she was in prison and having to face the wrath of Ji-sung's character, who was out for blood. It is much later that Ji-sung's character realizes that this woman that he's been tormenting from so long also lost her child and was not the person who killed his girlfriend. Sometime in between, these two start to fall in love. So Ji-sung plays a chaebol and Wang Jung-yoon plays an ex-con who has to work very hard to get a job after she gets out of prison. It's a revenge drama, and once she gets out, once she starts to see things, she realizes that what had happened to her was wrong. It's a revenge drama, it's a melodrama, and again, melodramas are usually quite intense. I would suggest that once you finish watching this drama, go and watch Kill Me Heal Me, so you will get a happier vibe out of Ji-sung and Wang Jung-yoon's acting. The fourth drama on this list is Tomorrow With You. It was a drama released in 2017. It has 16 episodes. This drama stars Shin Mina and Lee Jae-hoon. So Lee Jae-hoon plays the role of a time traveler. So this time traveler realizes that he is going to die in the future, and for whatever reason, to save himself from dying in the future, he decides to marry a woman who was close by. For whatever reason, you'll understand when you see the series. So this woman is played by Shin Mina. She's an amateur photographer. So this guy gets this girl to fall in love with him, but he doesn't feel that he's in love with his wife to be. They eventually get married, but one day she realizes why he married her. She realizes he's a time traveler. She finds out the truth, and by then it's too late because she has realized that this guy married her only to save himself. But then the guy has fallen in love with the girl, so now he must go get the girl. Okay, so overcoming this obstacle is a major point of the plot. So this drama goes from a man who marries a woman just to save himself in the future, to a man who can give his own life to save his wife, the same woman, in the future. It's a little complicated. You'll need to use your brains a little when you're watching, particularly the later episodes. It has a lot of comic moments. It has great chemistry between Lee Jae-hoon and Shin Mina. Obviously, both of them are such brilliant actors. The last drama on this list is Chocolate. Chocolate stars Yoon Kye-sang and Ha Ji-won. This is a romantic melodrama set in a medical hospice. Yoon Kye-sang plays the role of a neurosurgeon who ends up working at the hospice. He's a chaebol, but he doesn't want to be a chaebol. And Ha Ji-won plays the role of an expert chef. Now, these two are first loves, but when they grow up, Yoon Kye-sang's character does not recognize this girl. They have a past connection. Obviously, it's a Korean drama. They have a past connection. Ha Ji-won's character recognizes this boy immediately, but somehow she ends up dating his best friend, and then this best friend and Ha Ji-won's character break up. Now Yoon Kye-sang's character hates Ha Ji-won, hates the ex-girlfriend of his best friend. This drama is about people going after what they want. Okay, so these two meet again under bad circumstances, and they're not really sure how they feel about each other. Okay, Yoon Kye-sang's character is not really sure how he feels about this ex-girlfriend of his best friend. So that complicates things a little. But as the series goes on, you get to see the character development, to see a different sort of storyline. The supporting cast is equally good in this drama as well. So this was a list of the top 5 Korean romantic melodramas. I'll see you next time. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.